guys, Sana here and welcome back to another video. Now before I tell you what I'm going to be doing in today's video, you may be wondering why I have not been posting any videos lately for a month. Well, I had my exams and I had to study for them. I was really busy, so I could not make any videos or even post them. But now I'm available and I'm going to get back to my normal routine and post videos. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is that I'm going to show you how to make 3 very simple hair accessory DIYs. It's so simple that anyone can do it. They don't need to be any artist or any professional. So let's get started right now. So the first thing I'm going to be making is the pom-pom hair clip. Okay, so the things you'll be needing are some clips. Now I'm using bobby pins. And another thing you'll need is, of course, the pom-poms. Okay, that was very easy. Wow. Now I'm gonna pick out some colors that I want. All the different shades. So I arranged the pom-poms in a pattern that I like. A piece of paper that has Vaseline on it. Very only. Now the reason you'd be needing this is because the hot glue will not stick to this. Just in case the hot glue goes anywhere else, I'm just gonna keep it from that. So I have this little sheet here. And you can use parchment paper or even wax paper if you would like. And of course you need a bobby pin, which I have right here. Now I'm gonna just pop on my bobby pin. So I'm going to start off by putting a line of hot glue so I can stick my pom-poms. And there you go, a perfect, really nice looking pom-pom hair clip. I'm going to make another one using this. Now, you don't need to do the exact same thing I did. Now I am again applying glue to attach my only 2 pom-poms. Okay, so I'm going on to the next DIY, which is a flower bunch on your hair. So the first thing you'll be needing is a craft paper of any color. Now here you need something that's circular, so you can draw a perfect circle. Now I'm measuring this and my measurement from the middle is 8 centimeters exactly. Now I'm gonna draw 7 circles. Yeah, now that's 7. Okay, now I'd be needing one more piece of paper. There it is. A fresh new piece of paper that I am now cutting first. And now for the cutting bit. Poof! Magic! Okay, now you need to fold the paper like this 3 times. Now after folding the paper, you want to draw a petal, something like this. Now let's cut it out. So this is how it looks after I've cut it. And after I open it up, It looks like a flower. So now I'm just using a pencil to just press the petals down so they can look like real flowers. Now I have one flower finished and I need 6 more. Okay, now I have all 7 flowers ready. Okay, now you just need to cut it like the way I did. So you need to leave one flower as it is and move on to the next one and cut 2 petals of it. And for the next flower, 4 petals and so on. Now you have to have the pieces exactly looking like mine. Okay, now I'm just sticking these in a cone shape. So you can just see that I'm about to put glue on this flower, but the clip just ends right there. Well, that's because I lost half of this clip. I don't know where it went, but I am about to explain how to do this step. So what you're basically supposed to do is leave one full flower that is not cut, okay, so it's full, and take the next flower and put glue in the middle of it, and then stick the next flower in the middle where you put glue, and do this process again and again and again till you have no more petals to stick. Now this is basically what I meant by this step. And there you have a beautiful flower, and I made 2 of them. Now I'm going to cut this strip of green paper and fold them just like this, and I'm going to draw a leaf on them. Once you're done drawing, just cut them out. Now I'm just arranging them behind the flower to see which place is nice, and I'm going to glue the leaves to the back of the flower. So I'm just taking a thin strip of paper and measuring it on my hairband and sticking it up so I can slide it into my hairband with ease. Now I'm going to stick it behind the flower. So now the flower bunch hairband is ready and it looks wonderful. So the last hair accessory is cat ear hairband. As you can see, I am starting off by drawing one triangle and then turning it into a cat ear, just like this.
I'm just sitting here, I got time.
Now the base is ready and I'm just going to color them to add some texture.
The world seems small, we can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. meant to be.
Now I'm using pink paper for the inner portion of the ear.
Sometimes you need to go.
I'm just going to stick a smaller triangle in the middle of each ear. Now the ears are ready. Now I am measuring and going to cut 2 thin strips. Now I'm just going to wrap it around to take the measurement, so this can act as a support, and it will be removable too, so you don't need to directly stick them. Now you can use a stapler or glue to attach the papers together. Now I'm going to slide the ears into their places on the hairband, and it's ready. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like and share my videos with your friends and family. And also please subscribe. So now I'm going to be posting my videos regularly, which is one video every week. So stay tuned for that. And go check my Instagram out, Sahana Vlogs. And bye!